Hey, how you doing? Austin here. Let's talk about Cardano. Let's talk about specifically the three reasons that Cardano is going to continue to go up. The three reasons that Cardano by the end of this year could reach $4, $5, even maybe $6 by the end of 2021. And hopefully I'm being very conservative in those numbers. It could be even higher. So we're going to talk about that in this video. If that's something that you care about, you're interested in, check it out. Stay with me. I promise I won't bore you. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Thank you again. I truly appreciate your support of myself, my channel, and my videos. By the way, if you're interested, there's a link in the description below to check out my Patreon. If you want help with your portfolio, if you want some guidance, if you want to see my portfolio, if you want me to help you, if you want to see when I'm buying, when I'm selling, when I'm trading, then check that out. Links are in the description below. Would love to help you if you are looking for some support. By the way, you can join and you can cancel at any time. Okay? So with all that said, let's take a look at Cardano. Right here, right now, Cardano is trading at 272. Let me refresh that screen. Yeah, 270. The overall market, let me refresh this real quickly. The overall market is down a little bit, and Cardano is really just basically flat. But look at the last 7 days. It's been on a major run, up 34%. Austin, why is it up? Okay, very simply, Cardano is set to implement and have smart contracts go live on the Cardano network September 12th, September 1-2. Okay, I've been talking about this in previous videos. This is a real thing. It's absolutely set there. Now, that's the big piece of news. Another piece of news that has come by the way, these are not even the three reasons that I think Cardano will continue to go up. Well, smart contracts are for sure. But this other piece of news that I wanted to tell you about. Cardano is basically going live today in Japan to be able to be bought and sold, traded, things of that nature. And just real quickly, in case you're like, well, I don't really care, Austin. Well, there's 100+ million people in Japan, and it is fairly stringent and hard. It's actually very stringent and very hard to get an asset like Cardano listed in the Japanese exchanges for the people in Japan to be able to buy and sell them. Okay, so some examples that are already there, like Bitcoin, Ethereum. I mean, it's extremely. There's a very short list, is what I'm trying to get to you. And so the fact that Cardano is now open to 126 million plus people in the Japanese in Japan is actually a pretty big deal. And I think that fundamentally that could positively impact Cardano as we move forward. Okay, so that's something that's going on. That's newsworthy. It's noteworthy. Something to be aware of. Maybe to make you go, interesting. Okay, so continuing with that. All right, so let's now look at the three reasons that Cardano will continue to go up, and I think continue to go up and reach all-time highs. Okay, and potentially within the next month plus. I think that $3 by next month is not out of the question, and I think that $3 plus and 4, 5, 6 by the end of the year is pretty conservative. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this piece of content says the price of Cardano will jump to $3 within the next month. Don't y'all hate this now, that these new things, like when you're looking at content, how they've got, some text, an ad, ad. And then you go, nope. Then it's not text. You got to keep going. Oh, here's some more text. It's crazy how these websites are layering in more and more ads. Okay, so we all know that Cardano has become the world's third largest digital currency, right? Obviously, that's right here at 86 billion. Sorry about that. 86 billion market cap. Absolutely. So it's number 3 and very solidly in that spot. I think it'll continue to stay there. Okay. So the prediction from Nigel Green, CEO of DeVere Group, which has 12 billion under advisement, comes as little known. I hate that. Cardano is not little known. Now rises to become the world's third largest digital currency after Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think it's quote little known because unless you are kind of in the space like us, right? You don't really know about it, right? And it's just not as well documented in the media. It's not as sexy as, say, Bitcoin, Ethereum, things like that. Sexy, whatever, however you want to think about it. but it's one that I've always loved. Okay, so Cardano's price has gone up by more than 36% in the last week. Market cap currently stands right around that 90 billion. It has surged year to date. It has surged 1,300%. Its all-time high was 241 in May. Okay, and I think we are well, its previous all-time high. Now we're obviously past that. Cardano is now just behind the major headline grabbers, Bitcoin and Ethereum. I agree with that. It has not come from nowhere. It is not an overnight success. We all know that success has been around since when it launched in 2017 when Charles launched it. It was added, blah, blah, blah. Let's see here. It's in a clear upward trajectory. No reason to think that this will come to halt anytime soon. So here's the three factors fueling the rise. There are three main drivers currently fueling the price of this cryptocurrency. First, it is being pulled by the broader crypto market rally. Total market cap is back up to $2 trillion again. I agree. I talk about that in every single one of my videos, right? How the overall crypto market, when Bitcoin and Ethereum rise, Cardano's going to go up. So I think of that as a free catalyst for Cardano. Okay? So when Bitcoin and Ethereum are up and there's really not a catalyst for Cardano in that given day or that given period, Cardano will continue to go up. Period. Number one, that's cool. Second, its upcoming network upgrade in September, putting its blockchain in a strong position to take on Ethereum. There's no doubt that smart contracts, transactional protocol that lives on the blockchain and that automatically run when predetermined conditions are met are going to have a major positive impact for almost every sector in the near future. That's obviously the September 12th implementation of smart contracts into the Cardano network. Yay. That's the second big reason that we're going to get a continued rise in the price of Cardano. Third, and this one's interesting. I hadn't really thought of this one. Cardano will keep benefiting from its. Why is it not allowing me to get it? Will keep benefiting from its. It won't allow me to grab it. That's weird. From its reputation of being it's right here. It has a reputation of being a green cryptocurrency. Wow, it threw me an error. That's funny. Okay, it's basically green. That's why they're saying it's gonna basically be. It's gonna rise because it's green. I don't necessarily agree or believe. I don't know if that's a major reason. I mean, is it a positive for Cardano that it's green? Sure, absolutely. But I don't think it's like a major reason. So I actually disagree with that third point. For me, the third point, the reason that Cardano will continue to go up goes back to my house analogy, right? I think of Cardano and I think of Ethereum as being the foundation of their respective houses, okay? So I love that Cardano is the foundation for other projects, right? For other projects that are built upon Cardano, things of that nature, with smart contracts being implemented and all that's going in from that standpoint, I think it's going to continue to be a major crypto that's going to be here to stay. It's not going anywhere, and that's why I'm extremely bullish on it. I know that there are other reasons. There are a lot of positive things that Cardano has around it. I know there are things that I left off the table. That's fine, but I had to keep this fairly short, fairly sweet, fairly simple for, to kind of bring you as much as I can in this video, kind of concise, up-to-date information. So I know you may have your other reasons, but maybe I illuminated and gave you some other reasons why you think that Cardano could be is extremely a great asset to have. I love it. It's one of my largest holdings. No, I wasn't paid by anybody at Cardano to do this video. As always, thank you for your support of myself, my videos, my channel. I appreciate you. Take it easy. Bye.